Hello,
Hello, hi, good evening.
good evening.
Welcome back to my class. Is this Sena or Kinka?
Please call me Kinga.
Kinka, oh, good to see you again. So, how are you doing today, Kinka?
Is this the second time?
Yeah, we had our first lesson in May 22.
Yes, I remember you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much for coming back to my class. So I can see here you chose pre-conversation. All right.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
actually, this is the first time I have choose
Oh,
a
okay.
conversation, so I have no idea what should we do.
All right, all right. Okay, do you have any particular topic that you would like to discuss, or you want me to like start a topic for you? What do you think?
Okay, just ask me anything, random questions.
Ah, random questions. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Actually, have some questions. For example, I'll be giving you some statement or sentences, and then I want to know if you agree with that sentence or not. Would it be okay for
Okay.
you? All right, yeah,
Yes.
it's interesting,
Okay.
yes. And then please tell me also why you agree with that sentence. Okay?
Okay. No problem.
All right, let's start with the first one. Okay, many people said health is wealth. Type it in the
Mm,
chat box, okay? Do you agree that health is wealth?
mm. Uh, yes, I agree.
Why?
Um, First of all, if you are not healthy,
Mm-hmm.
then you are not able to enjoy anything else.
Yes.
First reason, and the second reason is if you got sick and
Sickness.
got sick, then you have to go to hospital and see doctor. You have to receive a lot of treatment.
Treatment,
Then
yes.
yes, that means you have to pay. You have to use a lot of
A
money.
lot of money, that's right.
Yeah, that's the second reason. So
Yeah, that's nice. Very good reasons. And if you are not sick, if you are healthy, so it means you can save a lot of money, right?
hmm,
Yeah, so it's
yes,
well
you can use that money on other ways.
in other ways, exactly. You
Yes.
can buy
Hmm.
more important things, right?
Yeah, you buy anything you like, and you can also traveling. You can also travel.
You can
Mm,
travel, of course.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah, very true. Oh, very good answer. Okay, that's
What
nice, Kinka.
What is your opinion?
Yeah, I really agree with that because good health can make us achieve a lot of things, right? Even riches and wealth. Because just like what you said, if we are sick, we cannot work. Cannot work, we cannot like continue with our dreams or goals in life, right?
Mm,
So it's very difficult. For example, how can you establish your own business if you are so sick, right? So
yes.
even the money that you will be needing to establish the business, you will be spending it to your health,
Yeah.
to cure your sickness.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
agree with you that.
Nowadays, many people say that health is the most important thing in our lives, in
Yeah,
their lives,
that's true.
and
That's true.
even uh, uh, no, you have a lot of money, but it is useful as long as while you are healthy
Still
and you are
healthy. Yes, exactly.
yes. If
Mm.
you got sick, then those money are useless.
Yeah, you cannot enjoy the money, right?
Then
Yes,
yeah,
because
that's
you cannot travel. if you are
mm,
sick. Yeah,
yeah.
yes, yes, that's right. Yeah, for example, you are bedridden, so you cannot go to like shopping, you cannot go to vacation, no, you cannot enjoy anything, even if you have a lot of money. That's true.
Exactly.
Yeah, very good. I like your answers. Now let's go to the second one. All right. Number two is words are powerful. Mm. Do you,
Oh.
do you agree with that?
Oh yes, I totally agree with this.
Mm.
Uh, one of the famous author in China
Mm-hmm.
have said a similar thing. Uh, that people, that man, uh, once pursued to be a doctor,
Mm-hmm.
but uh, uh, he have changed
Change.
uh, his dream. Uh, he have decided to be an author because
Mm.
he um, uh, realized that words are more um, more efficient swords
Mm.
than guns and
And
swords.
guns. Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because that is the time uh, uh, of war.
Exactly,
Mm,
yes. Actually, I remembered. Yeah, it's similar or the same with our national hero, Dr. Jose
mm,
Rizal. Yeah,
mm,
he's a writer. He's a writer. You know, he's a
mm,
good writer. Yeah, a lot of heroes in the Philippines, they would like to fight with guns and swords, something like that.
mm,
But he said same thing. He said that words are more powerful, more
more
effective.
power.
You can
Mm,
use writings,
mm,
we can use novels, we can use articles to fight against like corruptions and
mm.
invasions. Yeah, so he succeeded because he's a good writer. He was a good writer.
Yeah, yeah,
He wrote a lot of novels that
yeah.
opens the mind of the Filipino people. Yes.
Yes, the guy I have mentioned is similar. He is one of the most famous author in China.
Mm.
Yes, and many people respect him
Oh, I see. Yes, that's good.
because swords and guns can kill a certain people, but
Mm-hmm.
literature words
Mm-hmm.
can moved a lot of
Can
people's
move a
uh,
lot of people,
emotional.
yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Very good. That's nice. It's a good example. Yeah. Wow.
Mm.
That's amazing. How about the next one? We have you are what you think you are, or you are what you think. Uh,
You are a good thing.
mm,
Uh, uh, mm, yes, I also agree on
mm,
with this.
yes.
Um, uh, uh, somebody have said that uh, the world is that depends on how you perspective.
Mm. How,
Uh,
how you perceive,
how
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 you
you how you uh how you
perceive,
perceive perceive
or what is your perspective in life.
how you and how you uh explain this, how
Hmm.
you explain this. Yeah,
How you explain. Hmm.
yes, yes, I totally
Yes.
agree with this.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, yeah. So exactly, right? So how you what is your perspective in life is somewhat also has something to do with how you explain something, right? How you,
Mm,
yes,
mm.
or how you, let's say, how you judge something,
Yeah.
right? How you judge something.
Yeah, for example, I think
Mm-hmm.
many famous people
Mm-hmm.
uh, they usually receive a lot of comments,
Mm.
including um, positive and
In negative, yeah.
negative.
Mm,
Yeah,
yes.
some comments can even hurt them.
Yes, that's true.
But it depends on person. Some of them can control
Can control,
with
yeah.
comments, bad comments and positive comments, but some
Mm.
of them cannot not control those things well, and list uh, uh, themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, you know, uh, got sick or even
Mm.
myself.
I see. They can easily get affected, right, by the negative comments. Oh, yeah. Yeah, some people are really weak emotionally, right?
Yeah, so
Emotionally
I
weak.
think
Mm.
the belief
Mm.
uh, and um, mm, belief uh, ourselves is very important.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, that's
Not
true.
affected by, do not affected
Beliefs,
by,
yes.
yeah, don't affected by um, outside uh, other people's.
Yes, 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 yes. So it's like a principle, right? Also principle.
Yeah, something like a
Mm,
principle.
principle, exactly. Yes,
Principle. Yes.
that's right. Okay. Now I
What
remember.
do you?
Yep. Yeah, I remember also like. Are you familiar with Henry Ford? Henry Ford. Henry Ford. Yeah.
Who is he?
Henry Ford is the one who started the Ford car, the car Ford, right? Yes,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes. Yeah. So he said that whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
Mhm.
You are right. If you will say to yourself, I can do that, well, you are right. You can do that. But if you will think negatively, no, I can't do that.
Hmm.
So he said, you're right as well. You can't do that because you are thinking negatively that you can't, right? So it depends on how we think, and it describes who we are. We can be a negative person or we can be a positive person, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we
Yeah.
are what we think we are.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I learned from Henry Ford. That's why he became so rich before. He became the richest person as well before.
Hmm.
Yeah, Henry Ford.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
To listen to others' opinion is certainly important,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
uh, uh, in the end, I think you yourself uh, have to make a decision.
Decision. Yeah, that's right. Of
Mm,
course, yes. Yeah, we are like open to others' opinion, right?
mm,
We listen, we check, but of course, we need to make sure that we will decide by our own self, right?
yes,
That's right.
because those are not your opinion. It
Hmm,
is that for others. You
that's
are not other person,
yeah,
not
exactly.
person. Yeah,
You have your own identity, right?
that's right. Yes,
Okay,
and
very good.
everybody is different.
Yes, very good, Kenka. I like our discussions. Very nice. I'm
Okay.
learning a lot from you.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I mean, your ideas and opinions are brilliant. That's nice.
Mm.
Okay, let's have the next. Okay,